Wait, what if I tell you, numbers can disappear? Like magic, but it's actually your brain power. Imagine you have 5 chocolates and your friend takes away 2. Now tell me, how many are really left? This is not just taking away, this is called subtraction, the secret skill smart kids use every day. Today, we're going to master it like a pro. Let's start. John built 7 sand castles on the beach. The waves washed away 3 sand castles. How many sand castles were left? Answer is 4. There were 4 sand castles left. 10 crabs are playing in the sand. 2 of the crabs fall asleep. How many crabs are still playing? Answer is 8. 8 crabs are still playing. Sam collected 8 starfish. She threw 3 back in the water. How many starfish did she have left? Answer 5. She had 5 starfish left. Next, 6 seahorses are sleeping. 4 of them wake up. How many seahorses are still sleeping? Answer is 2. 2 starfish are still sleeping. 9 sea turtles sitting in the sun. 1 sea turtle goes for a swim. How many sea turtles are left? Answer is 8. There are 8 sea turtles left. Sam saw 5 lobsters on the beach, then 3 lobsters walked away. How many lobsters were left on beach? Answer is 2. There were 2 lobsters left on the beach. Bob has 7 seashells. He loses 6 of them. How many seashells does he have left? Answer is 1. Bob has 1 seashell left. Jen sees 10 seagulls. 5 of the seagulls fly away. How many seagulls are left? Answer is 5. There are 5 seagulls left. Sam has 8 beach balls. He gives 4 of them to his sister. How many beach balls does Sam have left? Answer is 4. Sam has 4 beach balls left. There are 6 flamingo floats on the beach. One of the floats loses its air. How many floats are left? Answer is 5. There are 5 floats left. So now you know, numbers don't just stay, they change. If you got all answers right, you are already ahead. If not, don't worry, that means your brain is growing. Hit subscribe and come back tomorrow.